So what's going on, YouTube? Thanks for the comment. It's easy once you know how. You can think of the bridge network like this. In this case, communications between containers have no enforced restrictions. This means that as long as we can run containers, they can communicate over the Docker Zero interface. On the other hand, the relatively hard part is routing and configuring firewall rules. So let's divide the question into two parts. First, we should fire up containers like this. Choose your favorite containers. We need 3 containers for this experiment, so I'm going to run the same container 3 times. Imagine you've plugged Docker containers into the firewall interfaces. The interfaces act like a network switch. This means that the interfaces share the same IP range. Now the containers are up and running. The assigned IP addresses are... We need to inspect the bridge, right? Here we can find the IPs assigned to the containers, ending in 2, 3, and 4. The network diagram should look like this. There are no traffic restrictions for the subnet. Let's get a shell for this container. Okay, this one has a 172.1704 address. So this should be the one, right? Okay, no problem. I can reach other containers. In my environment, the external host has an IP ending in 11. The firewall, which is the Docker host, has an IP ending in 9. I can reach the firewall interface. The problem is that I've installed Docker on my external host. In that case, the traffic goes to the internal Docker Zero network. What does that mean? It means packets to the 170 network will be discarded because they are hitting the wrong exit. We need to define the route to the firewall instead. The packets should go out of this interface, right? Here's how we can fix the route. I deleted the wrong route. Then define the new route to the Docker containers. You need routing because you are sending traffic to another subnet. Okay, nice. The only thing left is to configure the firewall policy. This is how we are going to do that. The -I and the -O options should be adjusted according to your environment. -I means the interface receiving packets from the external host, and -O means the outgoing interface to the Docker network. If you are familiar with firewall devices, this line might help you understand the command below. You can check if the policy is properly configured like this. If it's hard to understand what has been done here, the simple explanation is that I placed the policy on top of the firewall rules to allow icmp to pass. This way, we can reach the containers from external hosts. Pickup shows that the icmp is going back and forth. Hope this helps. Please leave comments if you have any questions.